One of them days, folks. One of them days. So you can see, that's combine off in the ditch. Everybody, welcome back to Bed 10. As you can see, me and Hoss over here, we're in the combine already. So this morning, what we got going on, more corn harvest. That's right. We got equipment moved over this direction or that direction to the next hilltop. That way we're closer to the road and we can move grain a little bit faster because we're not having to haul from back here where we're at, which is about a quarter mile off the road. We have this hilltop, this horseshoe hilltop to finish up, and then we got one small field in the back to cut, and then we'll move. See old also wearing his cool sunglasses. What kind of sunglasses are them?
Pit Vipers.
Pit Vipers. I don't even know what that is. But apparently the cool kids wear them, right?
Yeah, I guess.
All the cool kids are wearing them now. I don't wear them. I wear a pair of tinted safety glasses because I'm old. I'm worried about losing an eye. But you're not old, are you?
No.
Nope. You're still young and cool, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Cooler than me?
No.
Yeah, you probably are. Alright, now let's go shoot some hillsides.
Okay.
One of them days, folks. One of them days. So you can see, that's combine off in the ditch. I used a stump hole up here, and I'm sitting on the ground. I don't know how much stuff I tore up on the combine, but Jesse's coming up here to get me out. I don't know if we can pull me out or not. Might have to go home and get more tractors. We're just gonna have to see. So yeah, that's it. I use a stump hole. That I would say the stump finally rotted away and the ground gave away. It's probably a stump buried there at one time. So we're off in her now, but maybe the 47 can pull us out. So when I get Jesse back up here with the chains, we'll show you what's going on. Yeah, truck's spinning. I'm sitting sideways. The hole got wider. Y'all boys go stand over there and film it. Here. and rolling again after being off in the hole. As y'all saw, we got pulled out, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I forgot to show them the hole.
That's okay. Oh yeah, I'm in first gear. I gotta gear back up. Had to gear down. Be in that hole. So get out of the hole. Damage report. So as of right now, nothing's broken on the head. Of course, I did forget to unlock it. So we'll be right back. I gotta get out and unlock the head. I didn't unlock the head though. Now we gotta get all our stuff around. Then I got hot and had to take all our clothes off. Well, not all our clothes. All the coats and whatnot, right, Dalton?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch your leg, buddy. Alright, so like we were saying, damage report. So, as of right now, the head is working correctly. And the combine's running correctly. What had happened is we slipped off in that hole, which turns out, the landowner come back here, and he told us it's an old well. So there used to be a homestead up here back in the, I don't know, early 1900s, late 1800s. So, yeah, that was a well we fell in. But they had been filling it full of stumps and rocks and trash and everything else, trying to keep it full. So, back to the damage report. Damage report, we bent the side of the head where your drive chain goes on. But we got that straightened out, right, Dalton?
Yeah.
Yep. Got that straightened out. We did find out that the outside of your far left row unit had shot a bearing in it, causing the gear to need a hole in the cast housing. Which you don't want that. Don't need holes in your cast housing. So to fix that, we run up to a local store here. Well, I had the bearings to fix it in the truck, so we got the bearings changed. But there was still a hole in the cast housing, letting all the oil leak out. So what we did, we ran up to a local store that we're not too far from. We bought some 5-minute JB weld epoxy. And we stuck it on there. And right now, it's working. It's keeping the grease in the head. Epoxy in there. We put it on. That's the first thing we did. We cleaned up the housing, put that 5-minute epoxy on there, and then started replacing the bearings and the seals and straightening the side of the head out. And it took about an hour. The thing said it takes 5 minutes to set up and an hour to cure. And so we put that on there at 3:30, and now it's almost 15 till 5. So it's been just over an hour that it's been on there. And we're gonna finish running this farm, but there's probably only 2 or 3 acres left on it. We're gonna finish running it, and then we'll get out and check our little 5-minute epoxy fix. Now, it's not your plastic epoxy. This epoxy is rated to be on steel, aluminum, bronze, brass, cast, and various types of plastic. And it is not going to be a, permanent fix. That's just temporary to get us done. Get us to this field, and then after this, we only have about 80 acres of corn left to cut. that's a wrap for this farm, folks. We're gonna go dump the last load in the grain cart, go drop the head and move equipment. We'll catch up with y'all on the road here in a little bit. All right, folks, we're back on the move. Got the head unhooked and it's on the cart. We got Jesse in the header cart, or in his truck pulling ahead on the header cart. Got Big Don in the middle in the 4755 pulling the old 1210, and got me in a Pit Viper over here, Pit Viper 2. He's got some Pit Vipers too. Dylan, me and Dylan out here in the combine. Ready to roll, Dylan?
Yep.
Yep.
Car action.
Well, Sally stopped crossing that mailbox, Dylan. They don't need to do that because it makes the road narrower.
Truck.
Oh boy, it felt pretty silly if it had hit us, wouldn't it, Dylan? Yep. We got to the next place, got things set up, opened up so we can park equipment, and we still got to go get a dump truck semi off that farm we just finished up, so we're gonna go do that, and we'll start again in the morning. So, like always, appreciate y'all being with us. If you like what you're seeing, you know, subscribe, like it, drop a comment if you feel like it, and if the good Lord's willing, we'll catch you on the flip side. Until then.